Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Alliance bread in Kingshot. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to get Alliance bread in Kingshot, a vital resource for advancing Alliance technology and boosting overall Alliance strength. One of the main ways to collect bread is by capturing Alliance mills on a map. Make sure at least 75% of the mill is within your territory to activate resource production. Then deploy your characters to start generating bread over time. You can also contribute your personal resources directly to the line stockpile, which helps increase bread production for everyone. Additionally, check the technology tree for upgrades related to bread or food gathering, as this enhances your alliance overall resource output. Finally, participating in alliance events can sometimes reward additional bread. By combining the strategies, you can steadily build up your alliance bread and support your alliance growth. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.